Hi, I'm Paul Psloka, Ivy Masters Learning Center at ivymasters.com, and today we're going to look at the first question from Digital SAT Test 2 Module 2B. This is the harder set of reading and writing questions. Number 1 reads, which choice completes the text with the most logical and precise word or phrase? Always read the question first. You want to know what to anticipate. We know there's a sentence completion. Sections always start with sentence completions. And so when we read this, there's a number of different strategies you want to keep in mind. One is you could think of your own word that would fit the blank. You could also pay attention to what comes after the punctuation. A comma, colon, semicolon, or dash will help to tell you what goes in a blank. And a lot of times there's a word already in the sentence that's a synonym, meaning the same thing, or an antonym, something opposite of the blank. So we go to the paragraph. In addition to being an accomplished psychologist himself, Francis Cecil Sumner was a blank, increasing the opportunity for black students to study psychology, helping to find the psychology department at Howard University, a historically black university, in 1930. So if I'm to think of my own word, I might say supporter. So it's good practice. If you're doing, let's say you've got a linear test and you're doing practice, write that word right in there, supporter. Get used to doing that when you're actually doing your practice. So on test day, it comes automatic. You're thinking of your own word. Another thing I said was what comes after the punctuation can help you to know what goes in the blank. What I see after the punctuation is the word helping. So helping is going to be a rough synonym to the blank. And what did I just do? I found, is there a synonym or an antonym to the blank already in the sentence? You could say he was a helper. He was helping to increase opportunity for black students by helping to find the psychology department at Howard U. And then we go to our answer choices. What do we get? Answer choice A, proponent is a supporter of. That looks like it fits fantastically. Supplement to is like an addition to, something that's added that would help out. That's not as good of a fit as proponent. Beneficiary of is a very common wrong answer. So if you are a beneficiary of, then you are the one receiving the benefit, not the one giving it. If you're the one giving it, you're the benefactor. So C is wrong as well. And usually it's financial. And then answer choice D, distraction for. Hopefully you rule that out most easily because that's the opposite of what he's doing. He's helping out, not distracting anyone or anything. Correct answer here is A, proponent. Thank you for joining us today. If you like this video, click like. You can share it with someone who has difficulty with sentence completions. If there's any question you'd like to answer from any official PSAT or SAT or ECT, leave that in the comments. I'd be happy to shoot a video on it. Click subscribe so you don't miss anything. Check out that 1-minute video. It's going to be below this on the playlist. Test 2 Module 2B, the harder set of reading and writing questions. Have a great day.